How to stop background apps running on Android. In today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you the quick and easy way to stop background apps running on Android. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that at the end of the video you will get an idea to stop background apps running on Android. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, open settings on your Android device and then you have to locate the developer options. If the developer options is not easily available on this first page, then you can use the search bar at the top of the screen and search developer. Once you search for it, on the screen you will easily find out developer options. So tap on it and if it is enabled, then you'll be able to find out here running services where you can view and control currently running services on your device. You have to wait for a moment until it gets loaded and here you will see all the list of the apps that has been currently running. So in order to stop background apps running on Android, you can simply open any particular app and here you will see the option to stop it when you tap on stop. So your background apps running on Android will be automatically stopped. So in this way, you can easily stop background apps running on Android. Therefore, I would like to conclude this video. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe, press the notification bell for more updates.